In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a daily planner in Notion, complete with a task database, hourly schedule, and an automated template so you never have to start from scratch again. Notion is one of the most flexible productivity tools out there, combining note-taking, databases, and project management all in one place, and a well-structured daily planner can help you stay focused, reduce overwhelm, and actually get things done. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll want to set up your main page. Open Notion and create a new blank page. You can do this by clicking the Add a Page button in the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-D on your keyboard. Title this page Daily Planner. Now, to make it visually inviting and something you actually look forward to, opening each day, click Add Icon and choose an emoji, or upload a custom image that represents productivity or a fresh start for you. Then, click Add Cover and pick a photo or gradient that sets the tone. Once that's done, type a / and choose 2 columns from the Layout menu. This creates a side-by-side structure that's perfect for separating your tasks on the left from your schedule on the right. One thing I love about this approach is it keeps everything visible at a glance without scrolling, which is the whole point of a planner. Now, let's create the task database in the left column. Click inside the left column, type a /, then Database and select Table View. When the pop-up appears, choose Plus New Database so you're starting fresh. Name this database Master Tasks. Notion will give you default columns like name and tags, but we need to customize them to be useful. Click the Name column header and rename it Task Name. Next, click the Tags column header and rename it Category. Then populate it with labels like Work, Health, and Personal. You can add these by clicking inside the cell or editing the property settings. Then, click the Date column header and rename it Due Date. Finally, add a new property by clicking the plus at the top of the table, select Checkbox, and name it Completed. This property is key because it lets you mark tasks as done with a simple click, and later you can filter or sort by it to see what's left. A common pitfall here is making too many columns at first. Stick to just these 4 until you get comfortable, then you can add things like priority or project if you need them. Moving over to the right column, we'll build your daily schedule. Click inside the right column, type a /, then heading 3 and type hourly schedule. Press Enter, then type a / and choose divider. This creates a clean visual separation. Now, list out the hours of your day, starting with something like 8 a.m. Bold it by selecting the text and pressing Ctrl+B, then press Enter. Repeat this for every hour you want to plan for, maybe up to 6 p.m. or later depending on your work style. Next to each bullet time, leave a blank space where you can type in what you'll be working on during that hour. This is your living schedule. You can update it throughout the day as priorities shift. To add even more structure, you can insert a top 3 priorities section right underneath the schedule. Type a /, choose To-Do List, and add 3 checkboxes. Label them with your most important tasks for the day. The reason this works is it forces you to identify what truly matters before digging into the hourly details. It's a technique I use every day to avoid getting lost in busy work. Now, the real time saver. Automating with a daily template. Instead of rebuilding this hourly layout from scratch every morning, you can create a template that pre-populates the layout. Click the drop-down arrow next to the blue New button on your Master Tasks database and select Plus New Template. Give this template a name like Daily Layout. Inside the template builder, you can add the exact structure you just built, the hourly schedule, the top 3 priorities, even a journal prompt if you like. For example, type a / and add a heading 3 for focus areas, or a text block that says, "What's one thing you want to accomplish today?" This is where you get creative. When you're done, click the back arrow to save the template. Then, go back to the same drop-down menu, click the 3 dots next to your template name, and select Set as Default for all views. Now, every time you click that blue New button, it will open the template automatically, saving you a solid 5 minutes each morning. One pro tip: you can also add database entries to the template, like pre-written tasks that repeat daily, things like check email or review goals, so they appear without you having to type them again. Just be careful not to overdo it. Too many pre-filled tasks can make the page feel cluttered. And there you have it. You've now built a complete daily planner in Notion, with a task database, an hourly schedule, and a reusable template that keeps your mornings efficient and your days focused. The biggest benefit here is that you've removed the friction of setting up your planning environment, so you can spend that mental energy actually doing the work. As a next step, try linking this planner to a weekly or monthly view using a roll-up property or a calendar database. It creates a powerful system that scales with your life. If you need to revisit any part of this, just save the video or bookmark the chapter markers in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.